What is Heliconia stricta? As an avid enthusiast of exotic flora, few plants captivate me quite like the Heliconia stricta. Its striking appearance, vibrant colors, and unique characteristics make it a standout addition to any tropical garden. Allow me to share my insights and experiences with this remarkable species. Heliconia stricta, commonly known as the Jamaica lobster claw, is a species of flowering plant native to the tropical regions of Central and South America. With its erect stems, banana-like leaves, and showy inflorescence, it adds a touch of elegance and allure to any landscape. Is Jamaica lobster claw Heliconia stricta edible? One of the questions often raised about Heliconia stricta is its edibility. While many tropical plants have culinary uses, the primary appeal of the Jamaica lobster claw lies in its ornamental value rather than its suitability for consumption. Therefore, it's best admired for its beauty rather than its taste. How to care for Heliconia stricta? Proper care is essential for the health and vitality of Heliconia stricta. Here are some key tips for ensuring its well-being. Sunlight. Heliconias thrive in partial to full sunlight. Ensure they receive at least 6 hours of sunlight daily for optimal growth. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water regularly, especially during dry spells, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Soil. Plant heliconias in well-draining soil enriched with organic matter. A slightly acidic soil pH between 6.0 and 6.5 is ideal. Fertilization. Apply a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 months during the growing season to promote healthy growth and abundant flowering. Pruning. Remove dead or damaged leaves and spent flower spikes to maintain a tidy appearance and encourage new growth. How to propagate Heliconia stricta? Propagating Heliconia stricta can be done through division or by planting seeds. Division. Divide mature clumps of Heliconia stricta during the growing season. Ensure each division has healthy rhizomes and a few shoots for successful establishment. Seeds. Collect ripe seeds from mature Heliconia fruits and sow them in a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist and provide warm temperatures for germination. What to plant with Heliconia stricta? Pairing Heliconia stricta with complementary plants can enhance its visual impact and create a harmonious garden setting. Consider planting it alongside tropical foliage plants. Add contrast and texture with lush foliage plants like philodendrons, calatheas, and ferns. Bold blooms. Amplify the color scheme with other bold flowering plants such as bird of paradise, Strelitzia, torch ginger, Itlingera elar, and bromeliads. Ground covers. Fill in empty spaces with low-growing ground covers like liriope or creeping jenny to create a layered effect and suppress weeds. Conclusion. Heliconia stricta, with its captivating appearance and easy care requirements, is a must-have for any tropical garden enthusiast. Whether you're drawn to its vibrant flowers, lush foliage, or exotic allure, this remarkable plant is sure to make a lasting impression. By following simple guidelines for care, propagation, and companion planting, you can enjoy the beauty of Heliconia stricta in your own outdoor oasis.